Hello children, welcome again to my online channel topbrand.online for the session 2 of class 4 maths. In session first, I have told you the outline and introduction of the chapter building with bricks. In this session, I will give you the concept of 2D and 3D shapes. Under this heading, I am going to teach you following heads. First, the angles. In angle, I told you the right angles and what is length, what is breadth, what is depth, what is corner, what is side, what is faces, and what are the measurement components. Now I am going to give you the short description and demonstration of these headings. First is angle. When two lines meet at a point, they form an angle. Actually, angle is a space between two lines. This is more clear from this demonstration. First, imagine this is a line in sleeping position. When a line in this position, then it is called as horizontal line. When this line in standing position, then it is called as vertical line. So imagine this is the point. So a horizontal line and a vertical line meet at a point, this point. Then they form an angle. They form an angle, and this angle is called as right angle. So see the structure or see the figure. This is in standing position and this line is in sleeping position. So the angle formed is right angle, and it is identified by putting a square here, making a square here. This will be more clear in the classroom. Now see, again this is the model of a cuboid, or you may say call it as bricks. So this you are finding this side, these are called as a side. These are called as faces of a cuboid. This face, this is, so this. These are called as the faces of the cuboid. First, this is a face. This face. Now, this is also face. This is also face. Face, and this is corner. See here. This is called as the corner. So here is one corner, two corner, three corner, four corner, five corner, six corner, seven corner, and eight corner. So a cuboid have 8 corners. So how can you define a corner, or how you can understand what is corner? So see here. This is what is this? This is the edge. This is the first face. Let us suppose this is a face and this is a face. So when two faces meet, then they form an edge. Here they form an edge. This is called an edge. This is called as edge. Here this face and this face both meet at this line. Then they form edges. This is also edges. This is also an edges. So when first edges, second edges, and third edges meet at a point, they form corner, and this is also called as vertex. Now I am going to tell you the measuring components of the cuboid. Before going to know the measuring component, first understand when you measure the size of an object in the horizontal direction, that is, this is the sleeping line. So in the horizontal direction, then this measurement is called as length, and when you measure the size of an object in the vertical direction, from there to there or from this side to this side, then from this side to this side or this side to this side, this is called as height of an object. Height is also called as altitude of an object. Now it will be more clear from this model of a brick. See, when you measure in this direction, this is called the length of the cuboid. When you measure in this direction, this is called the height of a cuboid. When you measure in this direction or this part of the cuboid, this is called as width of the cuboid or breadth of a cuboid, and it is also called the depth of the cuboid in 3D form. If you turn this object in this position, now see what will happen. The length becomes the height of an object. The length becomes the height of an object, and the height becomes the length of an object. And this is again called the depth, width or breadth of the figure. Up to this point, you have a clear concept of what is angle, mainly right angle, what is face, what is vertices, what is corners, what is edge, what is depth, what is height, and what is length of a cuboid. What is horizontal line, what is vertical line, and what is altitude. Now, come to the classroom for detailed study.
Welcome student into the classroom of session 2nd. I have already given the short description and demonstration of the topic concept of 2D and 3D shapes. Now we will cover the following point in this chapter. The first, horizontal line and vertical line, angle, mainly right angle, 3D dimension axis, and the measuring components, that is length, breadth or width or depth, height or altitude, faces, edges, corner or vertices. Vertices is plural of vertex. Now student, study the what is horizontal line and vertical line. First, see, this is a line segment. Line segment means part of a line. I am giving name to this segment. Let this is A and this is B. So this is line A, this is line segment AB. Now it is in sloping position. So this line is called as horizontal line and this position is called horizontal position. So a line in sloping position is called as horizontal line and it is in horizontal position. Now observe this line. Now so I am giving the name to this segment. Now this is a line segment C and D. It is in standing position. So a line segment in standing position is called in vertical position and this is called as vertical position. So the line segment CD is in vertical position. So now you have a clear concept of what is horizontal position and what is vertical position. So now I am giving the name to these line segment, horizontal and vertical lines.